Hi, I am Pradeep, your online commerce teacher. In this video, I like to explain today about fundamental concept of partnership business. Before that, you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also like and share the video if you find it useful. Students, in our society there are two types of social organization. These organizations are divided into two. One is profit seeking or trading concern. Another one is non-profit seeking and non-trading concern. Again, this profit seeking concerns is subdivided into three. One is sole proprietorship business. Second one is partnership business. And third one is company form of business. Now, bookkeeping, that means you have learned in class 11 there are the bookkeeping and accounting. Bookkeeping is the primary stage of recording transactions. Primary stage of recording transaction is called journalizing and then ledger posting. Throughout the year we record transaction in journal, and from journal we finally record it in the ledger. Then we close the ledger account and we get the balance, taking the debit and credit balance of ledger account, different ledger accounts. We prepare a statement which is called as trial balance. Trial balance is what? Trial balance is a statement prepared just to check the arithmetical accuracy of the books of account. This is the primary stage of bookkeeping. Then secondary stage of bookkeeping is preparation of final accounts. In this stage, we prepare trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. That means secondary stage of bookkeeping we prepare trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. In partnership business also we have same treatment. Like primary stage we maintain journal, then we maintain ledger, then prepare trial balance. In secondary stage we also prepare final account. In that stage, firstly we prepare trading account to get gross profit, then profit and loss account. From here we get net profit. Even up to this trading account, profit and loss account, mean both the organization is same. In trading, in sole proprietorship business, after preparation of profit and loss account, net profit we transfer to capital, and taking other assets and liabilities we prepare the balance sheet. But here what we do in partnership business, after preparation of profit and loss account, an additional account is prepared which is called as profit and loss appropriation account. Now the question is, what is called profit and loss appropriation account? Profit and loss appropriation account is an account which is prepared by the firm just to distribute the profit among the partners on the basis of partnership agreement. It means in partnership agreement, you know that in class 11 you have learned what is called partnership deed or partnership agreement. In partnership deed means in partnership agreement, it is mentioned that interest on capital, whether it is to be provided to the partners or not. If there is an active partner, how much benefit the active partner is entitled to get, that means in the form of salary or in any other form. Means if partners are entitled to salary if it is mentioned in the agreement, then only. Then salary to be provided to the partners, commission to be provided to the partners. Then if any partners withdraw from business, on the withdrawal they may provide interest on that. That means interest on drawing to be charged or not, it has to be mentioned in the agreement. That also to be brought into account in the profit and loss appropriation account. That means all these transactions to be recorded in profit and loss appropriation account. Means transaction between firms and the partners. What nature of transactions appear in profit and loss appropriation account? Might be it is more or less personal, some personal, means between the firm and the partners related to some personal matters. That means partners entitled to get salary, commission, interest on capital, interest on drawing, all these items we bring in profit and loss appropriation. No such business transactions appear here. Means it is proper distribution of profit among the partners in the form of salary, commission, interest on capital, like this we bring in profit and loss appropriation account. That is the actual method of distribution of profit among the partners. Through this account we can distribute it. After that we prepare balance sheet. That means this is the process. That means partnership firm at initial stage they prepare profit and loss. I mean class 12 students in fundamental chapter of partnership they have to learn of preparing profit and loss appropriation account. In the next video I explain in detail how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Balance sheet, like sole proprietorship business balance sheet they prepare, taking other assets and liabilities they prepare the balance sheet. Then the accounting part is not in our syllabus. Then company form of business. Company form business they prepare journal, ledger, same process. Then bookkeeping, they second stage of bookkeeping they have to prepare statement of profit and loss, then balance sheet. Then from these two statements, one is statement, income statement, what is called statement of profit and loss, and the balance sheet. From these two statements they prepare, they analyze the statements, that is analysis of financial statement. Accounting part, that is in the second part of your book in class 12. In all the boards they have accounting part, analysis of financial statement. There are different techniques of analysis, ratio analysis, comparative statement, common size statement, cash flow statement. These are all the techniques of analysis of financial statement we learn in the second part of the accounts book. In the next video, and I explain all these things. Now next one is the non-profit seeking concern. Non-profit seeking concern, they maintain books of account mainly on cash basis. For that reason, they prepare receipts and payments account. That means they receipts and payments account means what is the trading concern called, what they call as cash book. We call it as receipts and payments account for non-trading organization like clubs, hospitals, charitable dispensaries. They maintain this account. At the year end, they prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. How to prepare this income and expenditure account and balance sheet we discussed later on. In the next videos we explain all these things. Now today I am going to conclude this video because this is the primary stage. In partnership business fundamental chapter, next video I explain this about this fundamental chapter of the partnership business. But first you have to learn what is profit and loss appropriation account. I just given the definition what is profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account is an account which is prepared after final account, means after trading and profit and loss account by the partnership firm through which the firm distribute the profit among the partner on the basis of partnership agreement. In partnership agreement, partners entitled salary that will be provided out of net profit. Partners entitled commission that will be provided out of net profit. Partners entitled any other income that also to be provided out of net profit. If any reserve to be created, that also to be brought in PL appropriation account. Then after means if any partner withdraw from business, then according to the agreement, if it is mentioned that partners is liable to pay interest on drawing, that also we bring in the credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. Then after we close the profit and loss appropriation account. In general, credit side of the PL appropriation account will be more than the debit side. That means if income is greater than the expenditure, then that is called the divisible profit. Divisible profit is the profit to be distributed among the partners on the basis of profit sharing ratio, which is mentioned in the partnership deed, means in partnership agreement. That divisible profit only to be distributed among them. That means this is the profit and loss appropriation account we have to prepare after preparing this trading and profit and loss account. If without preparing this profit and loss appropriation account, means if accountant commit the mistake, they didn't prepare their profit and loss appropriation account without making this account, if the profit is distributed among the partners, that is the wrong distribution of profit. That means partners entitled salary, commission, interest on capital, without providing that, if profit are distributed, then that will be the wrong distribution. That means we have to rectify that. There is a scope of rectification by passing the rectification entry. That also in our fundamental chapter, all these things, that means past adjustment. We have to learn different types of drawing and different ways of calculation of interest of drawing. All this topic we discuss in the next videos. Then students, today up to this, the next video we are going to discuss this next means profit and loss appropriation account, how to maintain profit and loss appropriation account, how to maintain partners capital. Partners capital also, there are two methods of maintaining capital. One is fixed capital methods and fluctuating capital methods. How to maintain fluctuating capital methods, how to maintain fixed capital method, we also discuss in the next videos. All these topics I'll discuss in my next videos. If you like this video and find it useful, then like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much.